Bye, James. Oh. Sorry to be so long, Cuz. But better late than never.
Junior, we're all out of gold dust, aren't we?
Bankrupt. Hey, it's a beautiful day. I mean, we're down, but we're not out.
No, we're out. But we are not down.
Did Grandma love Lady as much as you do? Did she take a ride on her?
Grandma loved her because I loved her. But she never took a ride on Lady. I couldn't fix her in time.
Getting its energy back.
Well, my lady, the lights are all green for you now. Green for glory.
Tasha would have loved this journey.
Yes, she would. And she'd love it that you're with me now.
So, Burnett, you didn't forget about magic. It's safe inside you.
Thomas!
You found her, and she's beautiful!
We're on the island of Sodor. Stop, Grandpa. Stop, lady. Hello, Junior. Hello, Mr. C. Mr. Conductor, this is my grandpa.
I'm glad you were able to find your way back. Junior, do you realize who this is?
I reckon this is one beautiful engine. This is the lost engine. Oh, are we glad to see you? Now we can go back to Shining Time.
Junior, we won't make it back to Shining Time without the gold dust. Without it, the magic can't exist. look who he's with. Splodge, come and destroy.
No, you do it yourself.
We don't like you.
Yeah, we mean that.
Emphatically.
Yeah, what does that mean?
I have no idea.
It's a good word.
Run, lady, quickly, and I'm going to help you.
So am I, milady. I'll not let you down again.
Ah, who needs you, Splodge?
Watch out for the viaduct. It's dangerous. Ah! What's the matter? Lady. That engine's name is Lady. She's part of the clue to the source of the gold dust. Ah!
Now I'll get you, Burnett Stone.
No, you won't, because the magic you refuse to believe in will get the better of you.